I'm going to show you right quick how you can clean the idle air control valve on your fuel injected vehicle. Some vehicles, they're made a little different, but the process is the same. First of all, you want to remove it from the throttle body. Then you want to take a cleaner that's safe for throttle bodies, and you just want to spray it out in here. You want to keep doing that until you get all that junk out of there and it's nice and clean. On some vehicles, the housing isn't quite like this. It's just a plunger, and the rest of this is made onto the intake, and you just clean out that ported part of that intake. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.